Hey guys, it's Ella. Welcome back to the channel. And today I've got a twofer for you. I've got the Beautyfix by Dermstore subscription box, and I've got the Allure subscription box. This is the first time I'm doing an unboxing on my YouTube channel. I have gotten this for a while. I've done it on my lifestyle.ella blog, but I wanted to bring these two to you guys. I usually do sudsy, but I haven't gotten it yet, so let's do these two, and I'll give sudsy its own video. So go ahead, guys, if you want to see all about Beautyfix and Allure for May 2020, just stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How is everybody? Comment down below how your day's going. Let me know. I hope everybody's doing well. I know COVID life is a lot. 2020 as in general is just a lot. You know how we all thought 19 sucked and then like 2020 was going to change all that? And then 2020 came and we were like, I miss 19, I miss 18, I miss 12, I miss 8, I miss being 8. Guys, this year has taken a toll on a lot of us, both financially and losing loved ones. And for anybody who's been affected by COVID in any way, shape, or form, whether it be losing a loved one, or if you've financially been hit, or if you just have been locked in your house entirely too long, my heart goes out to you. Guys, we're not in this alone. We are truly in this together. And I keep making these videos so you guys have something to do while we're all stuck in quarantine. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Give it a like so YouTube can recommend it to other people, because that's how YouTube works. If people don't like it, they don't tell anybody else about it. It gets no views and it sits there. So go ahead and like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you love subscription boxes. I do tons of subscription boxes, from Beautyfix to Ipsy to Trend Mood. I do makeup like Jeffree Star. I do, skincare boxes like Beautyfix, Allure. I do all kinds of stuff. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on lifestyle.ella, and let's have some fun looking at makeup. I know it's not the most important thing, skincare and makeup, but guys, we have lots of time for self-care, so let's do it. Alright, let's start off with our Beautyfix this month. Beautyfix is by Dermstore. Dermstore is an online realtor, not selling houses, retailer that does skincare mostly. They do some makeup as well, but they have this box, and this one is a good box. They've had some sucky boxes lately, but this one reminds me why I love Beautyfix, and we always get a card in our Beautyfix, and this was our card this month, and it says love what's in your Beautyfix. Visit Dermstore/BFSummer to shop the full-size items and save 20% with code BFSummer. So I will share that code with you guys if you want to use it. They always have the prettiest little pictures on the front of it, and then they give us a description of everything in our box with prices. I haven't gotten one in BoxyCharm or Ipsy this month, so Beautyfix, thank you. It makes my life so much easier. All right, so let's take a look here. This is our Summer is Calling box, and let's get excited because I'm going to start off with the star of the box. And we've got from Dr. Brandt the Clear Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleansing with Chlorophyll. We did get this in BoxyCharm last year about this time, and I gotta say, it's not a bad cleanser. I used it in my RV, and I absolutely loved it. My husband loved it, so this is a good one, and we got a full size, which this thing is pricey, so you know what? That's a good one. Okay, so next we've got from Peptide, the Hydroactive Cleanse Micellar Facial Cloths. Guys, these are hefty. Like, there's a lot in there. Can you see how thick this thing is? And this has got purity. It cleanses, it hydrates, and it protects, because it's got the micellar wart, it's anti-wrinkle, and it's a detox. So these look like really, really cute. I really like these. These are great to throw in a beach bag to wipe your face with, take off your makeup with. I love things like this, so I'm really happy to get that. And this feels like, if it's not a full size, a very, very, very generous size. So I'm happy with that. We did get one of our token sheet masks. And it has those little black worms that they put in here. Oh, I hate them because they get all over everything. This is from Skin Incorporated, which is a good brand. It's the Supplemental Bar Lines Be Gone Rose Gold Mask. So this is an anti-aging and a lifting mask. I really, really like the packaging of this guy, and I'm excited to try this one. Anything anti-aging, lifting, shearing, pulling, yanking. Hey, I am in my 40s. Give it to me. So happy about that. Of course, it's a one-time use, but hey, if you know you love it, then you know what to buy for your skin masks. That's how I found my Lancer masks. They're really pricey, but I love them. They're like the best masks ever. All right, next up we've got from By Terry. By Terry is one of the most expensive brands going, so what? By Terry? Yes. Beautyfix, you guys have redeemed yourself. This is why I've been plugging you guys for so long, because this is the kind of box we used to get before you guys lost your way. But here we go. This is by Terra. This is their Hyaluronic Hydro Powder. So this is kind of like the Aqua Mist by Becca. It's a setting powder, but it's got hyaluronic acid in it. It's a sample size, of course, but you know what? You'll get some decent use out of this. And you know what? If you love it, see if it's worth spending the money on it. But you know what? I love by Terra. So nice, 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 nice product. Got our first little squeezy tube, and this is from Skinceuticals, which is another great brand. This is the HA5 Rejuvenating Hydrator, and this is the hyaluronic acid as well. It gives you 8 hours of moisture and feels weightless on the skin. This is the kind of stuff, guys, you should be putting on after you've been in the sun or before you go in the sun. Moisturize that skin, keep it youthful, keep the wrinkles away. So that's a great product. We got this, which is from, where'd you go? This is from DHC. DHC is a great brand. I met them at an Ipsy event. They are amazing. They're a K-beauty brand. And this is their mild lotion. This soothes and balances skin with a refreshing toner powered by cooling cucumber. So this is a toner, which is great. You know, we got a lot of toners last month, but I haven't gotten any this month, so I'm super excited to get another toner. I use these things up all the time. I use them every day. Every time I wash my face, they are perfect. And you know what? This one is really cute. I really like this one. And cucumber, what? I haven't tried one with cucumber yet, so I'm excited about that. All right, so next we got from Skinceuticals. Guys, this is another bougie, expensive, great brand. This is, again, why I used to recommend this box to you guys, because this is the kind of skincare you would be getting in it, and that's what I loved about it. This is the Physical Fusion UV Defense SPF 50. This is what you need to be putting on your face if you're going to the beach. SPF 50, Skinceuticals. Can't say enough. That is going to be amazing. And then last, we get another hunky item here. We've got from Elemis, the Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm. So guys, if you're wearing makeup, you guys have to take the makeup off before you go to sleep. It is so bad for your skin if you don't. This one is a cleansing balm. It looks like it's rather like more of a like a serum than it is like a cleansing balm. It's like not hard like the pharmacy one is, but you know what? I think it might actually make it easier to get it out of the jar and actually use. Elemis is an amazing brand. This feels like, if not a full size, a very large size. So guys, let's recap. This was an amazing box. We got a full-size cleanser from Dr. Brandt, worth the price of the box there. We got a nice big pack of wipes, which you know what? Love wipes. Got a toner, which this will give us at least a month's worth of use, so that's perfect. We got a nice cleansing balm to keep our face clean, and a nice big size as well. From Vitaria, we got their hyaluronic acid setting powder, so you know what? Everybody can give that a try. We got an SPF and a moisturizer from amazing brands. Guys, oh, and we got our face mask. Almost forgot that. Guys, this is the best box I've seen out of Beautyfix in the last year. So I highly recommend it. Amazing, amazing value, amazing, amazing box. And they have the greatest customer service. If anything does go wrong, guys, they are always super helpful. So this, 100% recommend. Love this. It's Ella approved. Amazing. Okay. Second box. Allure. I have not done unboxings for Allure because I never know if you guys really want to see Allure. Allure is more of like, I don't know, like it hasn't gotten a lot of hype. It is a cute box. It's $15 a month. The first box is usually $10. You always get a present when you first sign up, so it's cute. And it's done by the Allure magazine. It's all the best of beauty. Sometimes this box is amazing. Sometimes it's eh. Their collab months are unbelievable. They also, like Beautyfix, do a nice little like magazine where they give you all the products, how to use them. They take pride in this. They are, of course, a magazine company. But I really like the way that Allure does it, and they really explain each item and what it is and why they like it, and they give you promo codes and stuff in here, so that's really good. So let's talk about what we got here. So for Mercure, this is a resurfacing glycolic and unicorn root cleanser. So this seems to be like an exfoliant. It has amethyst, glycolic, lactate, and true unicorn root. I've never heard of a unicorn root. Is that a thing? I heard about Operation Asian Touch. Have you guys heard about it? If not, go Google it. You guys, your head will fall off when you hear. I'm not even going to get into it, but after I heard that, nothing surprises me anymore. But this is really an interesting product. I'm really excited to give this a try. It's nice, and I love the packaging. It's like really different, so I'm happy with that. From Skin Inc., which is the same as that sheet mask we got from the sheet mask in Dermstore. This is my daily dose of glow, illuminate, and brighten. So it looks like on day one, you'll see a visible 88% visibly boost to the skin radiance. After 2 weeks, your skin will look clearer. After a month, you'll see skin hyperpigmentation appearing to go away. And also after a month, you'll start seeing it being more luminous. So this is like from inside, you're gonna brighten and give yourself a glow. And this has got vitamin A, which is anti-aging. It's clearing, it's firming. So this looks like a really super cute and useful skincare item. I have not tried this one. I've tried something else from Skin Inc. and I really liked it. It was a vitamin C one, but this one, how cute is this? I think that blue and pink is actually, yeah, it's inside the bottle. Like if you look at it, that must be the unicorn root, which I didn't know that was a thing, but okay, it doesn't really have a ton of a smell, but I am excited. And if not, guys, just on the vanity. Yes, that is gorgeous. So I'm really happy. This is definitely a full size, so I got a full size of that. I got a decent size of this so far. We're doing good. Remember, this is 15 bucks. So from next, we got from Curology, and this is their way more than a moisturizer. It's smooth sailing. Let's see, it's an entire skincare set for free. Let's see, what is this product? Stand by while I figure out what this one is, because I have no idea. I thought it was a cleanser. I have tried the cleanser from Curology, and it's actually very, very, very good. So I like that one. Oh, here we go. This is the moisturizer. Okay, so this is their moisturizer from Curology. I have tried their cleansers before, and I really did like it. So I'm happy to give this a try as well. From VDL, we have the Lumilayer Primer. So it looks like it's a hydrating and glow boosting primer. VDL, I haven't really loved all their stuff, but I'll give it a whirl, see if I like it, or maybe I'll give it away as a giveaway. But you know what? Either way, VDL for me has never given me a huge amount of glow, but you know what? They're not a bad company. It's just I've not had the best luck with them. But we did get that, so I'm not unhappy about that. And then look at this. We got another full size. And this is from AHC. This is the eye cream. So it's a real eye cream. And guys, we got like 2 full-sized items so far in this box. Like for 15 bucks, really? And look, really cute packaging. Will look really cute on the vanity. And let's see. It's sealed for our safety, so I'm not going to open it. But you know what? I'm not happy. Full size, 15 bucks? Yeah, I'm happy with that. So definitely a great box. So yeah, I'm happy. And then the last thing we got, looks like it's a sheet mask. Yeah, this is from Wen. This is the Glamour Base. It's a bicellulose sheet mask. So this is like a base before you do makeup. And this is like a 30-minute, no messing around, crazy mask. So you know what? I'm into that. So guys, this was a great box for 15 bucks. We got a one-time use mask, but it looks like a bougie mask, so I'm happy about that. We got our little box. We got a full size of this illuminating serum. We got a full size of this eye cream, which is amazing. So 2 full sizes. We got this moisturizer from Curology, and like I said, I have tried their cleanser, so I know the brand is decent. From VDL, we did get a primer, which I'm not going to knock it till I try it, but I'm always excited to get primers. And we got this resurfacing with unicorn root cleanser, so I'm excited about that too. Guys, this was a good Allure. And I got a really good Dermstore box as well, so you know what? I win. Oops, put it the right way. On both counts, I spent, what, 40 bucks? And I got tons of full-size items for me to go use in my skincare routine. So I am super excited. And that's what subscription boxes are supposed to be about. Introducing new brands, give you enough stuff so that you're not having to buy additional on top of your skincare and other stuff. I mean, makeup is more of a preference. So if you don't get the color that you want or the product that you want. But with skincare, these boxes really should be making it to where you never have to buy anything unless you really want to, or you want to replenish something that you really love. So I'm really happy with both of these boxes. If you guys want to sign up for anything that I talk about on my channel, I will link it down below. I have no affiliate links. I have some links that give you, like when you're a member, to give to other people, like with Ipsy, give away free bags through the email. With Allure, I think I might have a code for them to get like $5 off for a free bag or a free extra item or something. But it's something everybody would get. My channel is not sponsored, never will be. All of these things I paid for myself to bring to you. So if in inclusion with that, if I did a great job, go ahead and visit me on lifestyle.l on IG. I'm there every single day with spoilers and makeup reviews and subscription box spoilers and subscription box reviews. I do tons of stuff on there. We're a vibrant community, over 3,000 members. So I love it there. We got Lifestyle by Ella on Facebook, which is more of a newer arrival. Hasn't quite caught on yet, but if you guys keep joining up, we'll get more of a following there on Facebook. And I will see you guys in the next one. I appreciate it. You guys, everybody stay sane, stay safe, stay healthy, and we're all in this together. Bye, guys.